Well, it's the tale of two seasons in the valley this afternoon. We've got summertime heat, humidity, some thunderstorms going on in the southern end of the valley and throughout the valley, but it's definitely feeling and looking more like summer up there or down there. And then in the northern valley, we're feeling more like fall. We've got temperatures only in the 50s. And on top of that, some overcast skies. We've got some showers there. Just a huge difference here, about a 30-degree difference from north to south when you compare Langdon down toward Sisseton at 83 degrees. Fargo in the middle, where we're still in the warm sector here, so we're at 75. Crookston, that heat has spread north to you, but Grand Forks on that transition zone, so we're at 63 degrees there. So this is that warm part of this system that's moving through, and this is the area we're going to be watching for the potential for more rain and thunder developing as the afternoon goes on. The wind is out of the south in this area. We've got some gusts into the 20s, even some 30s in Sisseton, and then that northerly wind north of that boundary heading into places like Langdon. We've got some gusts into the 20s there. Here's a look at the latest radar. So you've got those overcast skies again up north, some areas where we have some showers, even a thunder shower too, and then out to the west. And then there's that area where we have the warmer air, where we have some breaks in the clouds, allowing in that sunshine, which is also helping to warm us up and destabilize the atmosphere as well in this area. Here's a look at the radar in the Bemidji area, south of town into Hubbard County. A little thunderstorm going on there, stretching back into Clearwater County and over to Fosston. We've got that thunderstorm all kind of moving their way to the east-northeast, and then a little farther west into North Dakota, just around the Mayville radar site, stretching around that Clifford area, back down toward Colgate and southern parts of Steele County, seeing some rain and thunder. Grand Forks County even getting a little bit of line of activity there, and even farther west, Michigan down toward New Rockford, another line. No lightning with that one. And again, we're just going to be keeping our eyes out for the potential for rain and thunderstorms happening as we make our way further into the day today. Want to take a quick leap over into the Atlantic because we've got a tropical storm we're watching that could impact the U.S. This is Fiona, currently a tropical storm. Sustained winds 50 miles per hour, gusts to 65. It's moving west right now at 14, so it's heading toward the Puerto Rico area, back over to near Hispaniola. Track on it may turn northward, but we're going to watch it over the coming days here for anybody who has interest down in that area. So here's a look at what to expect here for today in the valley. We've got our own unsettled weather going on, and so into the afternoon, again, the heat in the south, the cooler air up to the north, and we'll see that storm activity develop in the warmer area. So by 5 o'clock, we've got some of these storms starting to pop. Could happen sooner than that, could be a little later than that, so just keep that in mind. But we're looking at Fargo, points south, and then east from there being the areas of greater possibility for these storms. Not that we won't see rain in other places, but the more active weather in this area. This is 10 o'clock tonight. Continuing on into the overnight hours, we're looking at this continuing to be an issue for us heading into tomorrow as well. Rainfall potential, again, Northern Valley and places in the south and east. And if we get another round of this heading into your Friday, we'll add to that too. So active weather here. We're going to be talking about chances for storms over the next 48 plus hours, even into Saturday, a chance for that. So you can see some big ups and downs in our temperatures too. Tomorrow, Fargo may get in on that cooler weather into the 60s, and then Monday back to the 80s. So
yeah, just got to get through this little roller coaster of rain that we're having, and then back to good temperatures.
Yeah, be ready for the ride. Have your rain gear with you, and layers are going to be your friend over the coming days.
Absolutely. Yep. Lisa.